Well, 2022 is now in the history books. You know, it's kind of an odd deal. I have spent the last 40 plus years indoors in the shop doing this wheelwright carriage restoration work, where at heart I love to be outdoors and I love to be around animals, and it's even best if there's a horse sitting underneath me. So I've got some things to do out on our piece of ground, and I'm going to head out there to open up this year of 2023. Well, this is January 1st. We are maybe 30 degrees today. Sun's out, kind of, sort of. It's kind of a pretty nice day. It's one of those days that finally the wind is calm. So normally this is a day to watch football, but me, I don't know the difference between the Oilers and the Steelers and the Hulas, and I haven't had TV for over 25 years, so I have this mess out here. I've hauled in some firewood. I had a friend bring out a gazebo, or I actually brought it out from a friend. So I took off the asphalt shingles and I'm gonna cut it up for firewood, probably run this through the shop. But I'm kind of tired of this mess. Eventually, I have plans that there's gonna be a chicken house that goes in this corner. So I'm going to split some wood and see if I can't clean up some of this mess on a really nice day of January 1. Well, I've got, a good solid couple cords. I hauled in probably close to 6 cords. I don't know if I'm quite halfway yet. I still got some sawing to do on these big stumps. Got some big rascals, but they'll all go into the firewood pile. So anyway, hope you have the best of 2023. This is how I'm starting out my year. Hope yours goes well.